Hey everybody, welcome back to the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. We've got another baby Duramax build for you. Let's check it out. So we set this truck up 6 inches on the rough country kit. It's got 275/65 R18 BF Goodrich KO2 tires, the Hilo HE 904 wheels. These are 18s, so definitely a lot of rubber, a lot of sidewall in there since this truck will be going off-road. We definitely love the setup as the small Duramax engine is just enough torque to really spin these bigger tires. As we move back, we've got the rough country side steps. I do like these stirrup style steps because they do look very aggressive and help you get up in and out of the truck. This truck did come into us with the topper, but we also put the Mule Expedition Equipment roof rack on there. We do have a video on that. It'll be in the top right corner. So go ahead and check that out if you're thinking about putting a roof rack on your truck. If you've got any other questions about this specific kit or this specific build, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below or go ahead and call the shop. Please give this video a thumbs up and give us a subscribe while you're at it.